The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
This is a message to Officer Riley front. You see if your wife no want you, me a make space down a yard for you. A matter of fact, me a put out the rasta man when me have tonight. Space a make down your fear so you can come. Now listen to a bagger man them we are run off them out. A true for them tape no release yet. Enough of them do it. Eh? We woman love you. We should have hold hand and build a wall around you. Use a rare species. You understand? So, no fret yourself. You understand? Make your wife just say and see if me no come for you. You understand? You need to be protected and loved and cared for. You is very say, brother, when me see you go so, me say all me do then girl. I mean, I don't know about like I did what. Jesus. You give me shivers.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this video that is circulating on social media that shows a police officer in a compromising position with a female is being talked about all over on social media, right? I saw many comments on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are disappointed in what the police officer had done, while some persons don't find any problem with what the police officer had done. You see me? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a female who said something that gave me the understanding that she's saying that if that policeman's wife don't want him, she will take him. That's the understanding that I got from some of the things that she said. You see? And in my point of view, according to some comments that I saw on social media, I think that there might be other females who might share the same point of view as the female showed in the video that I just presented to you. Now, I saw a post on the Jamaica Constabulary Force Facebook page that gave me the understanding that the police officer had been interdicted. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm going to read this post to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see what I'm saying to you, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, the post said, policeman interdicted following viral video. March 2nd, 2021, the Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, has given directions that a policeman seen in a viral video in a compromising position on social media be interdicted with immediate effect. This is what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers. See it? So that post gave me the understanding that the policeman had been interdicted. This is what I'm saying to you. I'm just letting you know what's going on and keep you up to date and posted. All right? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. All right? You can let me know what I think about that video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Barakat on social media. You see? Yeah, this video is also going to show a person who is said to be a law enforcer as well. You see me? Now, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if Barakat said something about the video that is circulating on social media that shows a police officer in a compromising position with a female. You see me? Let me know if you think Barakat was talking about that video or if he was not talking about the video or the incident or so on, isn't it? Let me know what you think, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh, you must say general, yeah. Brother, but they are Portland, you know. Yeah. But they are Portland, see? I mean, brother. But they are Portland, and I ask someone, say, if Squadish shall make that happen, what you man have to say?
That should never happen, brother.
That should never happen, brother. Great father, cat.
Look good, brother.
Look good, brother.
And that cast enough there?
Yeah, no, it's not that cast. It was a pass over and a driving thing, you know what I mean?
Okay, brother.
Alright, brother. If father say any pork you them, must cook, brother.
Yeah, man, the pork have a cook jerk or roast.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man, me don't want a raw pork. No, brother.
The boss said no raw pork.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I did not clearly hear some of the things that the law enforcer said to Barakat, you know, and I'm not sure if Barakat actually was talking about the incident where it is said that a police officer had been caught on camera in a compromising position with a female, you see me? However, you can let me know if you think Barakat was talking about that incident, you see what I'm saying to you? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he's the person that you can hear in a voice note that is circulating on social media, claiming that he wants to commit suicide or is going to commit suicide. See? Now, where I found the voice note on social media, you know, according to how the voice note had been posted on social media, it is said that the voice note was from the police officer who had been caught on camera in a compromising position with a female. You see? Now, I am getting information that that voice note is not from the police officer, but is from this person shown in this video that I'm about to present to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I'm only telling you some things that have been said on social media about the audio and about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? And I would like to say to you, my viewers and subscribers, be careful of misleading informations. You see me? And I hope that this person shown in this video will find the strength to pull through whatsoever he's going through. You see me? Yeah, because you see, mental health or depression is not a joking thing. You see me? It's not a joking thing. Alright, now I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Good evening, everybody. I'm so disappointed in me and my girlfriend. Alright? It's sad to say, but I came out and explained myself. Is me the one that you heard in the voice note crying that I overdosed myself? Okay? Because she hurt my feelings, so I decided to take my own life. It's serious, it's very serious. See it here? I really overdosed myself. Thank God, I'm here the same way. If I did take 3 more, that's it. I'm gone. Okay? So, when you're in love, it's very hard. Very hard. You can do crazy stuff. So I give the Lord thanks that I'm here, so I can move on with my life. Okay? So I'm sorry, people.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is out on social media, where it is said that the video shows a person who is said to be the person who can be heard in a voice note talking about suicide or to take his own life. You see me? You know, you can let me know what you think about that video. Alright? And I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show what it looks like at Shabba mother's night. See it? Yeah, Shabba mother passed away, you know. Some persons might know her as Mama Christie. You see me? And this video I'm going to present to you is going to show just some things that happened at Shabba mother's night. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
One box mixing in the glass. The amount is not a hard. I'm a Christian, I tell them I must understand. So I'm kid on that, talk away with them like you know. Wrong move, like I did the wrong move. We love Christy, say forward. If you love Mama Christy, say forward. Little fella. So see I first. Right. Hit back first. We have to quench them first. Sweet treat Jamaica. Love me a camera sausage. Have your man banana. And the big flour dumpling. Every time I remember Mama Christie, I say water come. I will step off here. Salam my people. You know me love them more than most of my people. And Mama Christie stop me, you know Shabba Rankin man. Mama Shabba Rankin do next is Diana, don't it? Some of the man them don't love the man and the woman. You see how them come to man? See it you, what's that? Me boss talk, what's the number, baby, you have a man, sir. Some of see if you are good at, rise. I mean, you man. Diana, the girl, them liar, pass through Steve, watch her now. But mother can't see him here. When you want to say that in shop, where you call for? See you, me boss serve. You know how long me a call. It look like the shopkeeper done a dancehall. Serve. You know how long me a knock. It look like them. One jack. Sell me 2 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of chicken. Chicken what? Just cool now, Miss Mac. You walk out like you want to see the cute the ear that. I know leg, I know wing, a 2 pounds I run a back. Serve. You know what? Right. I mean, man, a pass through. Full up. Pass through, show the respect. See you good people up in there. Come in and get out, boy. Hold it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up Josie Wales. Yes, I say, big up Shabba Ranks, you know. Yeah. Jano, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, you know. You can let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video, viewers and subscribers, you know. And here's where I'm going to leave it, alright? So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know. Want to big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.